Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix iPhone battery draining faster after iOS 26 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version of iOS and after that you are facing a problem that your device is battery draining faster, then you have to just simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open the settings, and from here guys you have to just simply tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage and make sure that there's enough storage on your device, and then you have to just simply delete the useless app from here. So guys, after deleting the useless app, then you have to just simply go back, and then you have to just simply make sure that there's not connected any of the VPN. If there's an connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN, and then you have to just simply go back and then tap on battery, and from here guys you have to just simply turn on low power mode from here. So guys, after turning it on you have to just simply go back, and then you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, after force restarting your device, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If that does help you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.